in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're unable to duplicate your display on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to tap the Windows, Control, Shift, and B keys on your keyboard at the same time. So again, it's 4 different keys on your keyboard. That should reset the graphics driver on your device. That's the first thing I recommend trying there. And then if that fails, something else we can try here as well would be just to check your physical connections. So make sure your cables are properly secured with your monitors to your device. So that's something else I recommend taking a look at there. And then if you want to right click on your desktop and select display settings, go down underneath scale and layout, and then underneath related settings, it should say advanced display. Go ahead and select that. And it should tell you your refresh rate down here. You may want to click the drop down and select a different one, and make sure that is set to the same one for your other monitor. If you're having an issue with the second monitor, you want to make sure it's set to the correct refresh rate here. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.